Hi, and welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we are going to make a North Indian side dish for chapati called Bhindi Masala. Bhindi is lady's finger or vendaka. Let's see how to make it. Let's first blanch the tomatoes. I have taken 3 ripe tomatoes. Pour boiling hot water on it until it immerses completely. Keep this aside for around 15 to 20 minutes. I have here 150 grams of lady's finger or bhindi. Cut it diagonally in longer slices than usual. In a mixie jar, add 1.5 cubed onions, 1.5 tablespoons of Dhaniya seeds, that is coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of Jeera, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 Kashmiri or Bedigai variety chili, 5 to 6 dry red chilies, 6 to 8 whole cashews. Now let's check on the tomatoes. Drain the water completely. Peel off the skin carefully, squash it a little and add it to the mixie jar. Grind everything together to make a smooth paste. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, add the lady's finger, a little salt and saute it till the lady's finger is fully cooked. They are cooked now. Remove them and set aside. Add a small amount of oil, say a teaspoon. Splatter some jeera. Add half an onion finely chopped. Add finely chopped ginger and garlic. Saute them till they are cooked. Now let's add the ground paste. Add some salt. Keep it on low to medium flame. It should cook till the raw smell completely goes away. It's been cooking for around 5 minutes now. It's become thick. The raw smell is gone. Add around half a cup of boiling water. Always remember to add only boiling hot water while diluting gravies. Lower the flame and let it bubble for some time. Let's add the lady's finger. Let the lady's finger cook in the gravy for around 4 to 5 minutes so that it absorbs the masala. Garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves. Switch off the flame and now let's add 1 tablespoon of beaten curd. Switch off the flame and add the curd, else the curd will split in the heat. The addition of the curd gives a nice tang to this gravy. Remove it from the flame, mix and enjoy. This side dish goes very well with chapatis, phulkas and even jeera rice. Enjoy! If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you!